My truck is filthy. But I'm taking off early in the morning. So she's gonna get dirty anyways. Super filthy. Look at that. Ouch. Good morning, everyone. We are starting our trip. Getting some coffee. And our next stop, beautiful water. Danny, we just got here and look how busy it is. People got here yesterday, man. All the way down there. It is packed already. Well, we just made it back to our river place, the famous secret spot. And let me tell you something. People already here, like 40% capacity already. That is crazy. I guess it's not a famous secret spot anymore because of social media. But look at this. Woo. So right now I'm just getting it ready, and that's the spot for my buddy and his family right there, saving that spot. Right here, this is our setup. My buddy showed up with his family on his 4Runner and his trailer. We got it all set up. Woo. That's right, baby. Woo! Hey. Look at that. The rope with the noodles, baby, for the kids. Where are you going? Get in the water, Papa. Only way, baby, to watch this. Oh. Nothing, baby. The World Cup. And some pancit. Ooh, Filipino food. The best. Courtesy of Chris and his family. Ay!
They bring back Danny Olmo.
The best.
They try to unlock the Austrian defense.
Chris, yeah, baby. Woo!
Look at that.
This is the only way to watch the World Cup. VIP, baby. Right here, VIP, right? Woo, look at that.
Great idea, of course.
Woo.
Spanish side.
Some coconut. Ooh, what do you call that? Say it. Yeah, that's it, baby.
This is Paul.
Oh yeah, baby. Portugal. Look at this. This is the way. This is the way to watch the World Cup.
Algún tipo de temor en el aire. Cristiano Ronaldo se cambió la dirección de su mirada porque el centro era muy bueno, parecía perfecto la llegada del. Tiene la conducción de Mateo Kovacic, extraordinaria.
Time to cook, baby. Time to cook. Woo! Oh!
Hoy acabó sustituido los últimos 20 minutos para entrar a un jugador que en aquel momento Portugal necesitaba, que entró, acabó por entrar Rubén Neves.
The kids want rice? You got rice.
A ver, el partido, Portugal fue mejor en el trámite de los 90 para romper el 90, ¿no? O sea, jugamos casi 120, ¿no? O sea, Portugal fue mejor en términos generales. Llegó un momento donde perdió, sobre todo en trazos largos, en la segunda parte, puso de pronto en predicamento el resultado. Croacia tiene un temperamento a prueba de todo, lo decíamos.
Guys, after a long day, it's time to relax. And this is the best way to relax. Listening to the river stream. Woo. Had a good shower. I ate well. Woo. I don't know how many beers I had and shots of tequila, but it's all good. Right, Chris? Right? Ah! Woo! Good morning, everyone. Let me show you my view. The wife's still sleeping next to me. I just can't get enough of this place. What a beautiful day. All right, going back to bed. Good morning, making that coffee. Woo, look at this. Just imagine waking up to this every single morning. What a life. What a life. And we got Christian already here. Chris cooking already. Last weekend. Only way to have coffee. Yeah, you're not gonna walk through there. Early morning shenanigans. Three rigs showed up. Two of them are not even 4x4, and one of the vans got stuck. Yep, it happens. It's time to make some micheladas. Woo! That's it, baby. Woo! A michelada. Best way to have them. Woo! Best way to watch. Only way to watch the world. Look at this. Only way.
That's your anniversary gift.
But this guy is our OG.
I know. We're all.
This is the better.
Baby. Tell Vanessa. Tell Vanessa hi. You're missing out, baby. You're missing out. No, actually, Kern wanted to beat me, and she can't beat me. Woo! Woo! Good morning, everyone. Happy 4th of July, and we are still here. Woohoo! In paradise. Last night was epic. I think we finished like 4 bottles. I blocked out for 3 hours. I missed the Argentina game, and I missed the Colombia game because I was out. Yeah, so today, just micheladas for me today. Beautiful. Everyone starts showing up. Woo! Happy 4th of July,
Que
guys.
va, sigue David, le tira el cuerpo Wadi, insiste Jonathan que aguanta la pelota.
That's my girl.
You could be a motherfucking mayor over there.
Try it. It won't.
Mami, just save it.
I'm not taking it for you.
Look at that. Woohoo! Banata.
With the Filipino family here, bro.
Dude, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, homie.
Yeah.
This is what it is right here?
Oh my God.
Oh, that tequila.
Javier!
Javi.
Look at that. White rice, tuna, steak, pork. Woo! You killed it, brother. You killed it. Woo! Look at that. Egg rolls. Oh my. Look at that tuna. Woo! Hey,
9:30.
you don't mix this with the river.
Dad, I don't see my banners here.
No, you don't mix
Ah!
that.
Oh shit!
You don't mix
Yeah.
this,
Oh.
and this, and go to the river.
Yeah. Oh man, I got a first aid kit.
I have it.
There we go.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Hurry up.
Man, I'm gonna show you something. This is wild. Chris, did you see that screen? Look. Look at that big ass screen. Are those like Cambodian guys?
Yeah, there's a Cambodian.
Holy shit!
Karaoke.
Karaoke time! Holy shit! We gotta go over there.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Oh mine.
Ian, bring my phone. Ian.
Show you this, guys.
Ian.
These guys are pretty wild, man. And they're only drinking whiskey. Oof. Hell no. But look at that. Woo! They brought the whole shebang. This is how they party. Hi. Nice. Good morning, everyone. Un cafecito to start this beautiful morning, and we are packing. Yep. Good. Oh, that's mine. No, you know what? No, the white one. Yeah. It's beautiful breakfast right here. All right. Did you get your coffee? Oh, you don't drink coffee. Look at this breakfast. Woo. Sourdough, sausage, bacon. With this view. And that chef over there. Woo! Oh. What an epic weekend. Everyone is sad. Time to pack up. The kids are having so much fun. The aftermath. Woo. Till next time. It is time to go home. She is packed, filthy, ready to go home. It is hot already. Another hot day here today. But she is done. Everyone is gone already. What? I don't know. And this is how we do it. Cold coconut. Woo! Water. Oh.
99 francs.
I am so sad. We're leaving. And until next time, but our next trip, Baja, Jurassic Park. I don't know how they're gonna get out. Woo, they're gonna get stuck. About over the weekend, about 4 vehicles got stuck.